in ecological succession, which is considered a pioneer species? Of course, the answer is B, lichens. The pioneer species are the first organisms to colonize a disturbed area after a volcano, for example. Which place would you most likely find pioneer species growing? The answer is C, because a newly formed volcano represents a primary succession event where there is no soil present. Which area receives the least amount of energy from the sun per square meter? The answer is C, because these latitudes define the polar region, Arctic and Antarctic regions. Which of the following describes a biome? Of course, it's a large group of ecosystems that share the same climate and have similar types of communities. Which biome has a layer of permanently frozen soil, which is called the permafrost? The answer is tundra. Which land biome contains the greatest species diversity? Of course, it's the tropical rainforest because of their warm and wet climate around the year. In which area of the lake is the more likely to be the greatest diversity of plankton? Of course, it's the limnetic zone. Which best describes the intertidal zone? Of course, the answer is A, a narrow band where the ocean meets the land.